What is up, my fine and beautiful people? Let me just say, I am super excited to have you here with me. Today's colors are going to be strictly based off of the Mini Controversy palette. It was a look originally designed by Brianna Fox. As you can see from the inside, it is something I have used before. There's a bunch of fun colors and a bunch of fun names. I also got a couple of things that are new to my makeup collection specifically for this look. I'm so excited. So let me get this pushed a little bit back and we'll begin. I have previously done my foundation steps before this, so if you are curious as to how I do that, check out the link right up in there somewhere, and it'll take you to how I do the basics. So first I'm gonna just brush these babies out a little bit. And these are not identical twins, they're fraternal twins. Now we got that done, let's start the fun stuff. So she starts this look off using Exposed and putting a good base around. Cool. That's a nice solid lavender base we have there. I'm just gonna fast forward to the other eye, so welcome back. Now that we have this lovely lavender look, she then takes this Controversy color and goes into the crease as well as closer to the under eye. This is where we get bold. I'm really just trying to blend this out because it's so bright. I do love how much it is brightening up my eye as like a whole in itself. I'm really liking this. Now that we kind of look like a raccoon. Not a bad raccoon though. A really cute raccoon. After she puts the Controversy on, she goes back in with the light exposed shade and kind of blends it out. I think we should do that too. Well, I guess I missed a little bit of a step, so I'm gonna go back and put some of the Controversy into the corners of my eyes. Good. Yes. She then goes into the inner corner of her eyes and puts some foundation there. So the concealer I use is Boing by Benefit. And she just kind of goes in and covers the inner corner. So let's go. She then goes in with this Flat Earth color. It's like a baby blue almost, and cakes it in on the inner corner. So cheers. I am loving this look. And then she goes in with like a really fine angled brush. She wants to solidify that border of the blue and the purple with a really dark purple lines. She then blends together the Flat Earth and the Controversy in the outer corner a little bit, so. Oh, nice. She then goes bold again. Except this time, we're gonna go in with the Simulation, this beautiful dark blue color. There is some shimmer to it, and we're gonna pat it in the outer corners. And then she does a blend with the Controversy Exposed and the Simulation in that corner there. We're gonna try to bring some more of that bold purple in there. Now that we have that nice little fade going on, we are going to take a nice square brush and we're going to go back in with that Controversy. And what she does is she puts it directly underneath the lash line to really bolden that border between your lash line and your eyeshadow line. And then she goes back in with the exposed and kind of blends it out a little bit. Now is the part of the makeup where I get to bring in something that I've never used before. She uses a solid white gel liner to go in her underwater line to really make it pop. I'm using Wet n Wild that I am just gonna slide in underneath on that waterline. Ooh, I really like that. The next step is to put the flat earth on top of the white liner. Now, that shit hurts. I will not blame you. If you do not want to do this part of your look, you can just leave that white liner. I'm feeling a little adventurous, so wish me luck. Whoa. Okay. And to top off the look that Brianna Fox uses, she takes my boyfriend's purse and she just kind of uses her finger to brush up the top a little bit, not too much, to kind of give that highlighter look. Ooh. The eyeshadow. I'm just going to run over my lashes real quick with a Total Temptation. It is by Maybelline. Alright, now that I have that basic on there, to finish the eyes, I will be going in with some magnetic liner by Luxillia, and the lashes are also by Luxillia. In that moment, she realized she fucked up. Alrighty, and now I'm gonna go in with Mary Kay Lash Intensity on the bottom to really try to make my bottom lashes stand out. I'm now going to go in with Mary Kay again. This is Darling Pink. It's a blush, and I'm gonna go on and use it as a blush. Use it as a blush. Time to use the other new thing to my makeup collection to finish off this look. I'm going to be using Mica. It's by L'Oreal. So it's this kind of like brown, purple, red. And boom. Bam. And there you have it. Today's final look. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did doing this look. And once again, thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. I'll see you later. Bye.